Hi there everyone, welcome to Technoholic. In this video, we will talk about how one can customize any WordPress theme without coding. And since we are talking about WordPress here, which is an excellent CMS platform, anyway, we do not require coding to make changes in your WordPress theme. Let's see and understand how can we customize our WordPress theme. So I would say there are few methods. First of all, I would say, let's say there is a theme named as Astra, and I would say there are so many themes that also comes with starter template. So you can install these kind of popular theme. So here you can see I just went to theme and then I selected this Astra theme. Now here I have downloaded it. So you can also download any theme like this, and then if we activate, there could be possibility that theme also comes with starter template. So what we can do here is either we can customize this theme from here, or else basically we can go here in Astra site. Probably I should write Astra template import, and here if I click on this template, here you will see there are so many templates that are pre-made. Let's say you like this one, you can click on live preview and then can have a look on it. Now all you need to do is simply click on detail. So you can basically choose your starter template like this, or else we can directly go here in our WordPress website, and then here what we're going to do is we need to click here on plugins and then add new plugin. Now here we're going to type starter, then templates, and there we go. So you need to look for this particular one. So let's click here on install now. And there we go. We have successfully installed the starter template. Now let's activate it. Okay, so now here you can see we have successfully installed it. So we are here in plugin setting. Let's click here on get started. And there we go. Now you can either go with AI website builder, or even you can go with classic starter template. So let me go with classical starter template. Now from here one can choose with whom they would like to create this website. Now since we already have downloaded it, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna choose the template that I like the most. For example, this nature template one. So I have selected it. Now here what I can do is I can add my own logo. So let me actually upload it here, and there we go. Now here I have uploaded logo, for example. Now let's click on select, and that's how guys we have added this logo. In a similar way, you can customize logo appearance, size, font, color palette, and so on. So based on your requirement, you can change color palette, change font, set up your own logo, and so on. Okay, so now let me actually click on continue. And then here you can see further more capabilities or features that one may add here. So for example, this free live chat. Let's click on next, and here you can mention about yourself, for example your name, your work email, and so on. Now let me click on submit and build my website, and there we go. So now you will see the starter template will start getting installed in your system. And there we go. So here we can see the template is now successfully installed, and when we click here on view your site, here you will see my site got changed completely. Now all you need to do is you need to click again here on customize, and from here we can customize all different kind of setting, be it typography, color, container, and then here we can further select the kind of layout I want. Different type of layout, for example normal layout, then there is a narrow, then there is a full width layout, and you also have option basically to customize and play with it, which is really nice to have. And then you can make further adjustment. For example, you would like to increase the height of your header, and then there are so many type of customization available. For example, site title and logo, button, primary button, And here you can see the site have furthermore option to make it more responsive. Now you can also design it and can decide the color. And let me just go back here and further back, and let me click on publish. So in this way guys, after selecting or choosing correct theme, we can further customize it by clicking on customize. With good theme, we also will find option to quickly get started, as they also provide starter template and so on. And let's say for example, if you would like to customize the page, in that case you can click on edit page. Now in this way guys, we also can customize our page as well. Now after you like it, you can simply click on save, and that's how we're going to save all our customization. Apart from that, there are so many things to customize, for example font style and color. And that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.